Hello and welcome to Bosch Power Tools. So today we have with us GSB 185 Li. So this is an cordless impact drill for all the basic work that you want to do as electrician, plumber or carpenter. So let's try to understand what's in the box and what's the offering to us. So as you can see, this is a hard box, which means it's sturdy, so it's portable and you can take it to your workplace or keep it anywhere, right? On the box, if you see right on the front is the stickering, okay, and this is the BeConnected QR code, so you can scan and register yourself in BeConnected. What's on the side? So this is on the side. So the description of the product given. So this is GSB 185 Li given. So it's 18 volt series of batteries to be used. Then what something extra? So these are all the accessories which is inside. So there are two pouches. So we'll talk more about the two pouches as we proceed. All right. So that's about the box. Okay. So let's open and see what's inside. Right. Here we go. So first we get some stationaries out here. So the service center manual out here, the warranty card, the user manual for the tool, and the user manual for the charger. So what's available out here in the box is, let's pick up the tool first. So that's the tool. The charger. I told you two accessory pouches, so 1 and 2, and there are two batteries. So both are 18 volt 2 ampere hour batteries. So that's what is there. So here we have a GSB 185 Li. So it's an impact drill, the cordless impact drill. So let's try to understand the features of the tool. So as you can see, it's a very compact tool. So the head length is 177 mm, very sturdy. The chuck is the USP of the tool. This has got a metal chuck. You can see this. So which means it's strong and sturdy for all the hard operations. All right, and yep, that's on. And here we have a speed selection, 2-speed selection for soft work and hard work. All right, and you can see that this is brushless. It's written already here. So this is a brushless tool. As far as the battery is concerned, the battery is protected with ECP, which is electronic cell protection. All right, and this light over here. So this is to tell you the status of the battery as well as the status of the tool. So I'll tell you more about this, but there is a function called as a tool status indicator. So we'll talk about this as we get into the tool description further, right? So this runs on an 18 volt battery, and the tool itself is 18 volts. So here we see 18 very clearly. The head length, as I told you, is 177 mm. The weight of tool is about 1.3 kilos. On the torque, this gives you a 50 Newton meter torque, that's the hard torque, and 21 is the Newton meter is the soft torque of it. All right. If you're trying to do a screwdriving application, so this can do about the max it can take the screw is about 10 mm. So that's the maximum screwdriving it can do with wood. And for drilling in metal and brick wall, this can go up to the maximum of 10 mm, both in metal and brick wall. And if you're trying to drill on wood, the maximum that it can go is 35 mm, right? And so that's it about the tool. Very sturdy and I would say a very strong tool, and of course easy to carry and do all the remote applications. So let's try to understand what are the modes that we have in the tool. Okay, so first and foremost we have a speed selection. So you can, this is speed 1, this is speed 2. So you can go to the maximum speed of 500 rpm on speed 1, and on speed 2 you can go up to 1900 rpm. All right. So that's the speed selection switch that we have. Over here we have 3 modes. The first mode is for screwdriving. we know what the screwdriving is all about. So, as you are setting it for the screwdriving, you can also change the torque. Now, if you see this, so this is a separate thing. So, we start from torque 1, torque 5, torque 10. So, how do you know this is torque 10? Because there is a marker here. So, all of them are coming in line. So, this means this is a screwdriver and then this is the torque, all right. So, this can go up to, so this I am selecting 15 and then this goes up to 20. So, this is the highest torque that we get. So, this is in alignment. You can see here the pointer marks towards the screwdriver and the torque. So, which means they are aligned. Okay. Now, the second thing that you can switch is you want to drill in, let us say, wood or metal. So, then you need to change this. Now, the pointer is marking towards this drill bit, which is basically for wood and metal. Okay. But if you want to do on, let us say, brick wall or aerated concrete, then again you need to change this mode. This mode needs to come to the hammer mode, which means that the impact mechanism is activated in the tool and you can start working on a brick or a aerated block, right. So, that is the description of various modes that we have on the tool. So, on the tool, if you can see here, so this is a QR code. So, you can scan the QR code and register yourself on the BeConnected, and over here you will see this. So, this is the tool status indicator. When I am using the tool, I just trigger this on, the light comes up. So, which means it is helping me to work in a closed space or a dark space. Perfect. So, the light has gone after I have removed my finger from the trigger. So, the light would stay on for few seconds and then it goes off, right. But there will also be a situation when you are in operation, all right, we are using it and this light flickers 3 times. I am repeating again, I am in operation, which is I am using the tool and the LED light flickers 3 times, which is a clear indication that the battery is running low, which means either I have to put this on charge or I have to pick up the next battery which is with me and start working and put the previous battery into the charging mode. So, that is about in operation. So, when in operation 3 flickers of the LED light means it is low battery, but I am not in operation and even then the light flickers 3 times, means there is a problem in the tool and the tool needs to visit the service center. Now, you see we have 2 pouches here, right. We also saw that in the box itself, saying that there are 23 extra accessories that we have, all right. So, let us look at this pouch, what it has got. So, this pouch has got 11 accessories in this. So, let us see what they are. So, here we have different sizes and heads, different kinds of heads, and this is the universal bit holder. So, this is 10 plus 1, so that is 11. So, what kind of heads do we have? So, we have PH1, PH2, we have posi, we have torques. So, various kinds of heads for various kinds of applications that we will use it in screwdriving. Okay. So, that is about this pouch. So, we put this back. So, this is the pouch for drill bits. So, here we have sharp edged ones. So, this is basically for wood. So, here we have 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm and 8 mm diameter drill bits. This is all for wood. On this extreme side is you have for metal. So, here you have 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm. So, this is for metal, and these one in the center, which is silverish in color. So, this is for your brick wall. So, this is again 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm. So, which means you have a total of 12 drill bits meant for wood, brick and metal. Okay, now we will talk about the battery, right. So, let us pick up the battery here. You see this. So, this is a 18 volt battery coming with 2 ampere hour lithium ion, of course, right. So, that is on this side. On this side there is something different and it is new. So, here we will see AmpShare powered by Bosch. So, what is AmpShare powered by Bosch? So, AmpShare is a multi-brand battery system for trade and professional users. So, this is bought from Bosch. Okay. So, the battery technology is coming from Bosch and we are sharing this battery technology and batteries with other power tool brands or the auxiliary brands for the power tool industry. So, which means that this battery is compatible with the other brands who are also on the same platform of 18 volt platform. So, that is the AmpShare technology that we have from Bosch. So, let us have some action with GSB 185 Li. So, what I have put here is a spade bit. So, we are going to work on a plywood and let us see how it does, right. Let us do a basic drill. This is a 6 mm wood drill bit and we try to do this on a plywood. Let us do some screwdriving now. So, we have a torque bit here and then we are taking some screws and try to do this. You see, it is properly flushed. Do one more. So, now I have a metal drill bit and there is a sheet metal here. So, let us drill through the sheet metal. So, here we see, so this is the hammer mode that we have set this in and this is the masonry bit. So, let us try to drill into the brick wall. This is the aerated block. So, we drill into this